what I find very interesting about her art practice is that she is not at all conventional in the way that she makes her art. Her art practice engages different modes of art making, and it's almost like she tries to explore the in between spaces between video, photography, text, installation, performance, and now, in fact, recently, more and more, her work is made by the participation of public or people and audiences, and that's very interesting aspect of how she is conducting her art practice. Today, of course, what she's going to do lying on the ground is she's going to tell you what to do, and she's going to guide you on how you're going to be lying on the ground. What I can say from my side is it's very exciting to me always when I have met her. She's she's very infectious with her thoughts and ideas. She provokes you to think more and push the boundaries of art practice and art making, which is very interesting. To many who know her, she's also difficult. Difficult because she demands perfection and she wants a lot of productive making and learning to happen simultaneously. Welcome Sonia Khurana to
Thank you.
start a performance. Yes. This performance series has been completely coordinated and taken care by my colleague and associate curator Akanksha Rastogi, and I would like a big clap for her. It's a different kind of work that is involved, and there are many steps and many phases that we have to go through. But it's interesting that we are able to do this and have audiences come here and enjoy it. She is also supported by a team, which is a small team, but I'm very happy with the team. We have Shobit, Arvind, Tarun, and Soumya, all four supporting her in whichever way, because there are many, many things to be arranged to have such a performance workshop happening here. So I welcome you all, and today, before all the rules of lying on the ground are being set by Soumya, my only rule is, please explore the forms and spaces in the museum, enjoy, engage, absorb, but be very careful of the artworks, because they need to be preserved and they need to be enjoyed. Thank you very much.
Okay, hello everyone. I welcome you to the workshop. Thanks for coming. I will talk later. I want to immediately start with the first activity without any preamble, because I would like you to really get on the ground immediately, and then we will do an introduction with everybody. The entire workshop will happen inside the museum. Just one thing, is everybody comfortable with English as the mode of communication? Because I can also do English and Hindi. So कोई लोग हैं जिनको इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, वो चाहेंगे कि मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूँ. अगर है तो प्लीज़ हाथ खड़े कर लीजिए. एंड प्लीज़ डोंट बी शाय. 2 लोग हैं, 4, ओके ठीक है. तो मैं इंग्लिश में तो बोलूँगी ही, और कुछ लोग हमारे बाहर के भी मेहमान हैं जिनको बिल्कुल ही हिंदी नहीं आती है, तो अगर मैं उसको साथ साथ में ट्रांसलेट करती रहूँगी. what I'm saying is I'll speak in probably primarily in English, but I'll keep translating. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी चूक जाऊँ तो प्लीज़ मुझे आप बिना हेजिटेट किए मुझे प्लीज़ कह दीजिए कि प्लीज़ आप दोबारा हिंदी में बोल दीजिए. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ एज द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, एज द पहला एक्सरसाइज के लिए, I would like you all to go inside the museum and please observe silence. Please don't carry anything with you. You can leave your bags here. This is completely safe. Even I think, yeah, you can leave your phones also. This is a totally safe area. Safe है ना? Okay. And few rules. Don't carry stuff on you. For the moment, don't speak to others, even if you have come with friends. Don't confer or, try to go quiet and try to internalize from now onwards. So as a preparation, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. It's very important that you should be calm and not be chattering or even saying a few things, and try to isolate yourself. So no need to you don't have to touch people when you're doing the thing. Find a spot that you like and just go and simply lie down in one place for at least No, 5 minutes. And it could be longer, but you don't have to worry कि time खत्म हुआ है नहीं. You don't have to look at the watch. We will come and gently let you know that it's time for the next thing to happen. Okay? Completely simple, like simply lying down, and I will be surprised if some of you even fell asleep or went into inertia. मैं चाहती थी कि कुछ भी करने से पहले आप एक्चुअली में ये बड़ा एक सिंपल सा लेटने वाला काम करें. But now we very quickly, we'll have to time it. We very quickly do a round of introductions. I've given you a piece of paper because I want you to think of and write 5 things which come to your mind when you were lying down. So it's not like a very long expression of your experience, what this happened and that happened and that happened. That will follow later. But 5 things which come immediately to your mind.
My name is Himani and I'm a dancer. When I was lying down, I was lying in between a very big painting and a sculpture, which was more like waves of the sea. So initially I was very, very restless. I didn't know. It was very hard to be just on the floor. But as the time passed, I got very comfortable, and I think for 5 minutes or 7 minutes I actually went off to sleep. I didn't realize. That was after my restlessness was gone. Because that sculpture was really, really huge. It's like a big triangle, it looks like a big wave. So it felt that, when
the painting in the corner?
Yeah, which is like this. And when I was facing the painting and lying down, it almost felt that I was becoming a part of the painting. The waves were coming on to me. So I felt people walking, and then there were phone ringing. So I was still, and everyone else was just too active. So it was kind of irritating also. And the other very interesting thing was when I was on the floor, when I came in the morning, I was looking at all the things like that. It was an eye level. But when I went on the floor, there's another painting which was diagonally across. When I saw it in the morning, I never realized that it had 4 different paintings inside. But when I was lying and I could actually see a completely different perspective, because I was down and everything else was on top of me. So, very interesting.
तो आपने अपने आप को मेटल की तरह देखा या गाड़ी को मेटल की तरह देखा?
अपने आप को, चूंकि दोनों में एक सिमिलरिटी है, चूंकि दोनों का फॉर्म में इंटरनल मतलब एक्सप्रेशन है.
ठीक है.
और सेकेंड चीज जब वो एक हिम्मत साहब का जो स्ट्रक्चर है
जी
एकदम
vertical form. Out of carcass, he related to his own body, and then he saw the car also as a structure lying down. And then with Himmat Shah's vertical sculpture, he thought that was a nice counterpoint between. He did not use these words, but I'm using this vertical and horizontal. And I'm using these words because this will figure again during the workshop. Because I will ask you to think about images of verticality and images of horizontality. But now we quicken the round. So literally 5 words and your introduction.
My name is Himalati Guha. I am an artist. I'll tell you what happened. First of all, I chose a place to finish. So I chose that place, and it was on a bench, and I didn't feel like lying down on the cold floor. Second point is, whether I was lying down, I felt that, I was conscious that whether I was lying down properly. And when you are in a public place, you are just wondering, whether your dress and everything is all right, or lying down properly or not. This is what I felt. And third point is whether Sonia will film me and others lying down, whether any film is going to be taken. Fourth, I also thought of similar experiences when I personally have felt like lying down in unusual places. And finally, slowly I forgot the past, why we are doing all this. and then slowly went into a trance and felt sleepy. And I was just comfortable.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Actually, more volatile because you're always worried. But you're saying the opposite. Okay. That's interesting.
But I meant to summarize it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Tripura Kashyap. I'm a choreographer and dance therapist. Just 5 things that randomly kept repeating themselves as I was lying down. So I'll just say those 5 things. The earth supports my body as I wait. Crawling in a line, because I was next to a sculpture where these men were crawling in a line. I hate traffic noises because the noises kept coming on and on. My thoughts are fragmented, and the security guards seem out of place. So these were the 5 things that just went on.
But also, I suppose it's, I mean, but I can imagine, I mean, when you are somehow able to frame, at least have the framework for something which promises to be an interesting experience, then you don't want the voice of authority around you. So yes. Yeah, but to be very articulate in your head about it is interesting. Thank you.
My name is Priyanka. I'm from New York and I'm spending a little time in Delhi. And I work with art. The first thing I thought about was love, because I had these lovely shadows of rugby shed sculpture all over my face, and it felt really nice and it felt slightly elevated. Then I thought about the line of my weight against the floor. There was, more pressure against my stomach and more pressure against my chest versus other parts of my body. So I was feeling the line of my body touch the floor, which is nice. Then I thought about food because I'm hungry right now. And then I got really relaxed and I fell asleep slightly and I started dreaming. And then I got up and I thought about work because
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shivangi. I'm from College of Art. I'm doing painting these days. And the 5 things that came into my mind were, first was I was being forced to lie down. Second was I became a part of the art object I was close with. I was like very close with. Third was my breath. I was constantly aware of it. And fifth was being looked at. I was conscious of being looked at. And then I wrote this line. In trying to be still, I could not be still. When I stopped trying, I was really still. Thank you.
I just put down 5 words. And they're almost all the same. So it's restless, unsure, jumpy, nervy, and pretentious.
And pretentious.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was there for some time, so
Yeah.
perhaps because of that.
Yeah.
Perhaps it was over 1 hour, maybe there'd be a better
Yeah.
shift.
Yeah, because I very deceitfully told them that they were lying for 5 minutes. Because if I had said you're going to lie for 40 minutes, you would have already started feeling very like, my God. But I think one goes in from one stage and the transition from one stage of thought to another and experience from one to another takes more time. 5 minutes would have been just to, done for affect. So actually you were lying down for a good 40 minutes. Yes. Much more to do with lying down with a consciousness also of the other person in the room. And of course a consciousness of the floor and the room which you already have gained some understanding of. Quickly go and align yourself with one group and then find a space. the reason I sent you all outside was for you to think एक तो एक comfort zone के अंदर लेटना एक चीज है, चाहे उसको भी हम radical कर दें, उसको मतलब जहाँ बिस्तर ना लेट के कहीं और लेट रहे हैं या कुछ कर रहे हैं, but how will it be to actually lie down in public? So I want to leave you with this idea. I would give you my email address. Akanksha would give it to you. You can also contact Akanksha if she's willing to. That's ये आप लोग कोशिश करें कि आप सिटी में किसी एक जगह या more than one place आप कोशिश करिए कि आप किसी इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से लेते हैं और उसकी एक तस्वीर खींचें और हमें भेजें, मुझे भेजें। और अगर आप एक्चुअली कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आप देख नहीं सकते हैं मगर आपको वो जगह लग रही है तो आप उस जगह की तस्वीर खींचें। But that is very easy. What I really want you to do is to push yourself, and that's why I'm giving you a lot of time. Maybe you won't want to do it. पहले आप जाके वहाँ बैठ ही जाओगे, फिर थोड़े दिन बाद जाके शायद आप लेट हो और एकदम से उठ जाओ। उसके बाद और थोड़े दिन बाद treat it as an art project. Just go and lie down and take a picture and send it to me. Okay, that could be the starting point of our next session. Because in the next session there will be many things, but the central thing would be I would like us to go as a group and perform it as like a large, make a resonance somewhere outside. That's all. Acha, now very quickly, I would like to start with Tripura. What would you like to say as an experience or?
Yeah, I think it was wonderful for me because we started with something that needed a lot of patience, which me as a dancer, I don't have it at all, because we're constantly moving or constantly making other people move. So there's this physical energy that's always building up. So it was very wonderful to just be very quiet, the act of sleeping alone, act of sleeping together with strangers that you hardly know.
Two things I really enjoyed moving here because you're very conscious and unconscious. Everything is working, and sometimes you can see and sometimes you can feel, and it was really nice to move in very closer. And here, very interesting images. When I got up, I said, "Oh, it's a flower. Oh, it's a chair, something," and it was really interesting. And with the ground, I want to share you that I love ground. I don't know. I feel so much. Something with the ground, and I can't sleep on a bed. In my house, I sleep in a tight bed, and when I go out for tour and all, I can't sleep in a hotel in a proper bed. I don't know. And when I sleep so good on wood floor, but not everywhere. only wooden floor or grass. On wooden floor or grass, I sleep so good, and except that.
तो आपको उसका आभार बहुत हुआ
बहुत सारा मुझे क्योंकि पूरे टाइम में फ्लोर पे थी मुझे लगा था अरे ये क्या मिल गया तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गई और मैं फटाफट मूव कर रही थी
तो हम लोग को शायद ये need of being close to the ground has already a certain interpretation which is probably not the same for the Western world. That kind of change. I was in Hyderabad and I was in the old city. I went to the old city in the first place because वहाँ काफी pigeons मुझे नजर आए. तो मैं फिर भी कभी-कभी pigeons को भी मेरा एक cutout है shape of my body. I also place it in some places and film it and whatever. So मैं वो कर रही थी, मेरे साथ एक workshop situation था तो एक photographer था, commercial photographer मेरे साथ था और within seconds वहाँ एक mob इकट्ठा हो गया और उस mob की आंखों में इतनी violence थी कि जो हम किताबों में पढ़ते हैं in communal rights situation मैंने जिंदगी में मतलब हमारे घर के पास में 1982 में सहारनपुर में हमने पड़ोसियों के घर की आग बुझाई है all that stuff many of us have these stories पर वो इतनी पास से इतनी hatred मैंने पहली बार देखी इतनी innocent चीज के लिए जिसको कि कहाँ से कोई कुछ करेगा कि there was any harm but my first impulse was Hyderabad Muslim community Urdu speaking I come from the same background I'm a very normal person I don't put on any airs or accent मैं इनसे बात कर लूंगी और मैं समझा दूंगी luckily police came very quickly and they escorted me out of course once they took me to the station they also tried to make the most out of this situation anyway so that woman said something which later on I was in splits, I was in giggles, but us समय not. You know that my lying down posture was like this, so the cutout was like this, and they thought that this was one big breast. So they decided it was obscene. And imagine कि ये एक crowd है जो एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं है, कितने जल्दी within seconds उन्होंने ये या तो ये collective unconscious में घुस चुका है या ये reading और उसका reaction भी within seconds. So this was quite phenomenal. And they clamor all over you, like you feel totally massaged. जैसे कि एक मौका मिल गया पूरी तरह से छू लो like that. Okay, so Japan में मगर within very quickly that also changed because they were also finding that they are getting to do something which is very liberating for them, because a lot of them gave feedback बाद में and this was not a workshop, this was a performance, public performance. So there wasn't इतनी possibility कि हम बाद में बातें करें, मगर उसके दौरान भी लोगों को इतना मजा आया कि 4 घंटे का स्लॉट था तो 8 घंटे तक चलता गया, you know, stuff like that. And आर्को में तो हम लोग स्पेस छोड़ के चले गए जब खत्म हो गया सब. मैंने लास्ट में मैं नॉर्मली एक पोएम पढ़ती हूँ, which I haven't done today. And then the authority, this was at 4 o'clock in the evening that the performance ended, and I read the poem and ended with that. And we were very tired. I was with dancers and actors who were volunteers. It was a public performance, so people were still coming. There were a lot of people. It was an art fair, so you imagine that there were a lot of people roaming around. And then it was announced as an event, so everybody came, and at 4 o'clock the event ended. So we left, the drawing was there, we left the space. The authorities came to us and this is very popular, can you somehow do it again? And we said, are you joking? We can't do it again. But if you like, at 7 o'clock fair jab band hota hai, so we'll come and I'll read out the poem again. So after 3 hours, between 4 and 7, after 3 hours we came back and we found that nobody had left. People kept coming and people kept drawing. Nobody wanted to leave the space only. This was usually, because you know also it's a very non-threatening act, and once the drawing is offered, then people also feel that creative, मतलब साथ के साथ में कुछ बनते भी जा रहा है. It's this every person's this natural impulse की कुछ ना कुछ वो कर रहे हैं, is growing, and the whole drawing keeps changing with every person's inputs. So that became quite big. And we need to absolutely have a round of applause for Akansha.